Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Exodus Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular crypto wallets, Phantom and Exodus. We'll cover their features, usability, security, and which one is best suited for different types of users. Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly, non-custodial wallet primarily designed for the Solana ecosystem. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app, offering a seamless experience across devices. Phantom excels in providing an intuitive interface with support for Solana-based tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications, dApps. It also offers built-in staking, a decentralized exchange, DX, for token swaps, and easy access to DeFi platforms within the Solana ecosystem. For users focused on Solana and its associated decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT projects, Phantom is an excellent choice thanks to its simplicity and strong ecosystem integration. On the other hand, Exodus Wallet is a versatile multi-currency wallet supporting a wide range of blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. Exodus is available as a desktop and mobile app and boasts a polished interface, allowing users to easily manage a diverse crypto portfolio. One standout feature of Exodus is its integrated exchange, where users can instantly swap assets within the wallet, as well as its integrated portfolio tracker that helps users stay on top of their investments. Exodus is also known for its hardware wallet compatibility, which adds an extra layer of security for those storing larger amounts of crypto. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is perfect for Solana users who want a streamlined, ecosystem-specific wallet with features like staking and DEX support. If you're looking for a more versatile wallet that can handle a variety of cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains with integrated portfolio tracking and an easy-to-use exchange, Exodus Wallet is the better choice. Be sure to check the description for the links to both products for more details.